So you are thorough with this settings and all, right? For see, I'm just giving a 100 rupees in the debit. So it should be credit and debit should match, right?
Yes.
So it's like I'm giving one more line. So from cash account to I'm giving a cash account here. So I'm giving a 100 here. So the credit and debit card same. So if you click on save, see automatically the payment batch got created. Right? You will see the batch. So the batch is not a man. It's like if you are not, it's optional. If you are not typing also, automatically it will create the batch for the journal. Okay. So let me create one more journal for you for the reversal. Manage journal. So we have started with which journal? MA, right? MA1 which we have created just now, right? See it, no, it's the old one, man. It's adjustment one. Okay, let me create a batch and we can reverse one by one. Okay, so let me create a clear journal. Okay, so Mahesh reversal batch. Okay, creating a J MA Mahesh one. The period which we are choosing is adjustment 2019. Okay, the category I'm making as a billing. So this is the first journal. Let me choose same 101. I'm choosing one of the account, cash account. I am paying 1 rupee, $1. I'm taking one more. I am paying with okay. So just I'm giving a 1 rupee. So one, just click on save. So I have created one journal. I'm going to create one more journal with the same batch. Okay. So Magesh 2 I'm creating it. And that means in the batch it contains more than one journals. So let me choose the account. In real time you will get this all combinations. Okay, so here just we are giving our testing purpose, we have created our own combinations, right? The real time your business people, okay, will provide you the exact code, account number and everything they will provide you for the creating a code combinations. Okay, so now I have created, let me complete it, then let me post it. The concurrent program will trigger once it is done. Okay, adjustment will not go like this. See here we are getting error because we didn't open the reporting currency. Okay, that's the reason we are getting error. What we are going to do is, let us change that. We didn't post it, right? So we can edit it. Okay, if you are posting it, you are not able to edit anything. So we have posted it, so just I am editing it. Okay, so click on save and post. I given as a 7/2019, right? Click on OK. Cancel. Let me see. Which one?
Before posting, the edit option is.
Before post you can edit it. After posting the journal, you cannot edit it. You don't.
I mean, plus beside symbol.
It's disabled, right? So you can see now it is in processing mode, right? Let me show you once it is posted. So checking, see it got posted. Okay, so I'm clicking on your Makesh. Okay, now you are not able to see the edit option, right?
Yes.
So if it is before post, you can do the editing. After posting, you cannot do. Okay, so one more thing is, so if you, okay, so if you say you made an error, okay, you cannot you cannot delete this one, right? So for this, what you have to do is, instead, I'm taking the, I'm debiting 1 rupee from this account, and then I'm crediting 1 rupees to this account, right?
Yes.
So if I don't want this one, okay, that means this what I entered is a wrong. Okay, then what you have to do, again you have to credit 1 rupee to the first account and debit 1 rupee to this account. Then only it will match, right? That means I am taking 1 rupee from you. Okay. After sometimes you are saying that no, that 1 rupee I given as extra, given back. So I will be giving 1 rupee to you, right? So it will be nullified. What I'm taking is again I'm giving back to you. That's that scenario here we call it as a reversal. That means I have posted it. Now I want to reverse it. So you cannot delete this one. So what you have to do is, if you are checking here, so here you are able to see one reverse button.
Yes.
That means you have to reverse the journal. Now it is got disabled, right?
Yes.
So click on show more. There are two options you have. So either you can, the batch level itself, you can reverse it. So you are able to see the reverse, right? So in the batch level itself, you can reverse it. That means under the batch, if you have 100 or 1000 lines, 1000 journal will reverse it. Okay. Else, in the 1000 journal, I need to do 1 or 2 journal only. I want to reverse the journal. Means just the journal level, we have an option called reversal, right? So if you are saying the reversal here, which period you want to reverse? Either you want to go with the same period or next month. So whatever the reversal you want to do it. If you want to do it for the current month, or if you want to do the reversal for the next month. Okay. So I'm giving as a next month. So here we have two different options. Let me show you both options. So switch DR and CR. That means, so here it's debited. So in the reversal for this account, it should be debited. So credited.
Yes.
Right. So here I have credited 1 rupee. In reversal, it should be debited. Right. So I'm giving switch DR or CR. Okay. So click on save. Okay. Click on journal. Yeah. Now the option is enabled, right? Reverse. Just click on reverse. That means I'm reversing with switch DR and CR.
Yes.
Okay, so if you have reversed the journal, okay, so after reverse the journal, that reverse journal also you have to post it. Okay, then only it will be effective your GM. So whatever the journal you are using or creating it, you have to post it. Okay, then only it will be affect your journal balance. It will be committed to your database, kind of thing. Okay, so let me check for the Magesh 2. In the Magesh 2, I am doing the reversal with the change sign. Change sign means plus 100 rupees. Instead of plus 100 rupees, I am putting as a minus 100 rupees.
Yes.
Okay, that is a change sign. I'm doing the same with, let me check it for 8. I am doing with the change sign. Okay, so 100 rupees for this one, right? Let me save it. After saving it, so I'm able to see the reverse button. Let me reverse it. So the whatever the reverse journal you're creating, right? So the name start with reverse. Okay, if you're checking here, I'm just cutting this one. Just I want to check for reverse. Okay, which period we have given is 8 only, right? 8 2019. 8 2000 only given it, right? Click on search. See, all the journals will start with reverse. We didn't give the name, right? But it got the reverse in the beginning of the word. Okay. See, for this 100 rupees we given as a sign, right?
Yes.
That's the reason we are getting a minus 100 rupees here. For Magesh one, we given as a credit and debit. Instead of credit, it will show with the debit. Instead of debit, it will show as a credit, right?
Yes.
So that's the reason here there is a no sign here. Here we make it as a change sign. That's the reason it's showing as a 100. Okay. Let me check the journal once again. So journal batch name is this one. Click on search. Now we will check whether the reverse is happening or not. So let's check here. If you want to see where the reversal happened for that particular journal, whether reversal is there or not, just click on show more. See here the reverse journal is linked here. That means I have reversed this journal. If you want to see it, just click on the reverse journal. See here it's debit is there, here it is credit is there, right? So it is debit and credit, it got interchanged for the nullifying the amount. Let us check for Magesh 2. Okay, Magesh 2 we have given with sign change, right? So the same debit it should be minus 100 rupees. See, it is there, right? For the same account, minus 100 rupees in the sign. Got it?
Yes.
So this is for reversing a journal. So if you want to reverse the journal at the batch level, here we have option to reverse. Okay, you can reverse it from the batch level itself, and also you can reverse with your journal level also. Okay.
Yes.
So that's all from GL level. So do you have any doubt in GL still from the beginning to now? Did you practice it? I don't think you are practicing it. You are just time pausing, man. I thought you will practice in 2 days and you will give a call, but you are not giving the call back. That means you didn't practice it. Practice, man. If you
Sir, nothing,
do.
sir, I did not get it.
Which one?
No, sir,
Practice is because the same instance, all the setup you have, whatever you did the previous setup, right? All the setup will be there. Only the general ledger will not be there. You can create the general ledger. So this instance will be there for our whole training. So you can utilize it.
This is this only.
Because this is my own, so you can practice it. It's not a matter. Okay. So one more thing is like a dashboard. Dashboard I have explained it on the day itself, right?
Dashboard. Yes, sir. Dashboard is not
Here we have a general ledger dashboard, right?
Yes.
So in the general ledger dashboard, if you are seeing it, the general ledger, we have some account monitoring. Okay, this is the default one. Journals. So this, if you are entering into the journal base, we will get this journal only. Journal details only. Okay, and finally we have for period close and open. Okay, this monitoring is nothing but for particular account. I want to see what is the change. Okay, let me check it for 2007, 2019. Okay. It won't be there, I guess. We should get some other account group. Went to 2011. 2017, we might have a record for September or October. We don't have. This means for monitoring account. That means, so for this account here they have mentioned for this account, right? So this account, what is the change from this year to this year, 2016 to 2017? What does change? The change percentage will come here. Okay, I told you, right? Whenever we are opening a start date, it should be 1 year before. I told you, right? So here for this comparison, that means this account has some value for last year. Last year it has some $1,000 or $2,000. Okay, this year it got changed into 3,000 or 4,000. That means our revenue got increased. So this account got increased. The amount in the account got increased. So here the change, how much change from the last year to this year, the change will be there, and the change percentage also will be there. So this is for just for account monitoring. So which account you want to monitor it, you can monitor it. If I say I want to monitor for my expense account, expense in the sense I have joined one of the organization. Okay, in the organization, you are traveling to US or UK, Australia, whatever maybe. It's for company purpose you are traveling it. Okay, there the ticket allowance, ticket travel expense, and also your food expense, and then there local UK and Australia you are traveling by cab or something. There you will have expense, right? That expense you are doing because of your company. Okay, that amount you will get it through your organization. So after you come back to India, you are submitting all the bills to your organization, then you are getting the money, right? So that is called the expense. Okay, so if I say I want to check for my expense account, how much expense I have spent for the whole year. Okay, that means if you have a exact expense account name detail, so you can give the expense account detail here, so that expense change you will get it in this account monitoring space. Compared to last year, this year how much I have spent extra. Compared to last year, it will either my expenses went down or it went down. And also if you want to monitor your revenue account, you can check it. So compared to last year, how much I revenue got this year. For this monitoring purpose, we have the general ledger dashboard, which is this account monitoring. Okay, if you want to add anything, you can add it here. Account group, you can create also. If you want to go with the existing one, see here they have a revenue and expense. They have already built one. So that means compared to last year, they are comparing. One second, let me check the values we have. Anything. This is for just comparing with your previous year. Okay. See, you got the value, right? In 2017, okay, sorry, in 2016, I have total my revenue is 24. My revenue is 25. That means it got increased 3.9%. This money USD it got increased. Here we have a two. One is for revenue account. So another one for, see here you are able to two different account, right? So one for revenue, one for expense. If you want to drill down more, just click on that amount. So it will drill down. So what exactly the values, it will go, finally it will go to your general also. See, regard drill down, it's giving the total values. How that amount, total amount came there. So you got it. Still, if you want to drill down, still you can click on OK. Again, it will go to your journal. Okay. So this is the use of this account monitoring, which is a default one from Oracle. We can utilize for monitoring your account. So normally you will use your mobile app to check your balance, right? So how much it reduced, how much it increased. For the same way, we have account monitoring. You are monitoring your accounts. Which account? We have hundred or thousands of accounts we might have in our in our users. It will be like in our business. Okay, 100 plus 1,000. I want to check for one or two. Depends upon your role. If I'm a CEO, I want to check for all the accounts. If you are, it's like a travel and expense manager, then you have to check only the expense in the whatever the expense compared to the last year and this year. You have to go to the expense. If you want to check for the revenue, you can create a separate monitoring for your revenue. Okay, that is the use of this revenue. So click on. We came to main dashboard, right? Yeah. So that's all from GL. So all the setups, and we have created a journal and we have reversed the journal also. We have closed the period also, right? Previously. Yes. We have closed the periods. We have permanently closed the period also for something. Previous 2 or 3 class before we have closed it, right? And also I told you the different status for the ledgers, right? So one is a open, closed, future enabled, permanently closed. Permanently closed, you can't do anything. Closed, you can reopen it and you can post the adjustment. Open one, current, you can do the transaction. For the future enabled one, you can create a transaction, but you cannot post it. Yes. That is the use of this future enabled. That we have tested it, right? We have created a journal for future enabled, right? So we are done with GL. Then we can start with AP. Okay. So account payables.